Hey, what's up YouTube? Got the Duel Masters deck. Nature. I got, this is a good deck. Not as great as my fire deck, but it will do just as great. I'd say maybe an advanced deck, intermediate deck. Here we go. Ultra Mantis, Scourge of Fate, shiny. Blowing Mantis, may not be shiny, good card. Essence Elf. Supporting Tulip, shiny. Mighty Shatter, iconic card, common card, but good card. Carrier Shell, Steel Smasher, good card. Bark Whip the Smasher, also good card. Another Steel Smasher. Sniper Mosquito. Manta Crisis. Avatar of Luck, sorry. Tracker. Scarab. Mighty Bandit, Ace of Thieves. Dimension Gate. Boris Hornet. Seen that before, Dimension Gate. Raging Dashhorn. Very cool nature cards. I like the pictures. It's too bad Duel Monsters went out of date. I like the cards. I never get old of cards. Yu-Gi-Oh! Maybe a good game, but Duel Masters never runs out of like good creativity and some of the good cards. Like this is an ugly card. Breaking Main. They had a good idea too. Can't believe it stopped being popular. Invincible Unity, sorry. Dimension Gate again. Mana Nexus. Had a lot of decks. None too successful compared to my fire deck. Fire deck. Very good deck. Pangaea's Song. Another Carrier Shell. I was a lot younger when I made these decks. A lot smarter about Duel Masters. These cards again, very cheap. A lot of these cards. Want any single cards or the whole deck, just message me. Fear Fang. Calling Vines. If you have more trust shades than I do, then I will send first. Of course, these cards are very cheap. There's no need of trusting and losing money because these aren't very expensive cards. If you still play this card, Bronze Arm Tribe, Trent Scarab, Mighty Arm Bandit again, Bark Whip the Smasher again, Burning Mane again. These cards are very big, or these decks. World Tree, Root of Life, Poisonous Delilah, Shiny Xenomantis, it's a giant insect, Tree Folk, Illusionary Berry, Dome Shell, Ultimate Force, Sword Butterfly, Rumbling Terrorhorn, Moonhorn. I should zoom in on these cards. Dimension Gate, Silver Fist, Panea's Gate again, Mana Crisis again, Camilla the Enchanter, not shiny, common card, Ultimate Force, the Giant again, Silver Axe, Normal Giant, Golden Wing Striker, Bronze Arm Tribe, shiny, Atari symbol, Poisonous Mushroom, Silver Axe, Bronze Arm Tribe, not shiny, Dimension Gate again, and Pangea's Will. You can Google all these effects. Light deck on the way, my second best deck. One of these cards, just message me. I'll get right to you. Bye.